my coaching program for tax pros slash tax preparers. And the word tax pro is subjective to your introduction to it based on how you perceive it to be. When it comes to professionalism, that's a state of mind, that's an attitude, that's part of your character, how you represent yourself each and every day in your chosen career field of tax preparation and taxation. So, regardless if you have certifications or licensing, you if you don't carry yourself as a professional, then paperwork means nothing when it comes to that. It's all about how you carry yourself. It's all about how you talk to your clients, how you make them feel, how you are able to be there for them. That's going to help them to grow their business. So when it comes to doing what I do, I specialize in work with new tax pros and tax preparers who wants to start in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation, because this is a career industry regardless of how you see it and how you look at it, and regardless of your opinion. This has always been a career industry, and it'll always stay a career industry regardless of the people who come into it. So when it's all said and done, I leverage my 21 years of experience, 15 as a business owner, to help new people who are looking to start a career and a business in this industry, regardless of their lack of training, lack of experience. It doesn't matter to me where you come in at. The process that I walk you through is different for a person that has no prior training experience versus a person who has training and experience who works for a tax preparation firm in the past or already. And so the onboarding process for me, since I charge a premium price for a premium coaching course, is normally $2,000. Right now it's on special until July 31st for $1,295. And it's designed for the new person who needs it all, really. It's designed for the person who has no prior training experience, who wants to make a career and a business all at the same time in this career industry, where you get to learn how to prepare individual income taxes. You get to learn how to use professional software that we do to work with. You learn basic marketing strategies that's going to help you go and get clients. And you learn how to set up your business on the front end with the daily operations of how that's going to look like each and every day, with the necessary software, tools, and resources laid at your feet for your inspection to utilize inside your business, so you can decide, are you going to go virtual only, or are you going to do local and virtual, or are you going to do local only? The choice is yours when it comes to how you run and operate your business, and only you can make that decision. So based on you where you live at, it's going to play a huge role if you're going to start out local versus virtual in the door. People who live in rural areas who have to drive 2 or 3 hours just to get to somebody, they're the individuals who want to start out virtually and virtual only, because you have no chance of making any money if you got to go do the footwork to go reach out to people to do business with. That's not going to help you any. So you want to start out virtual. People who live in big cities like Chicago, New York, LA, and a lot of other large populated cities, you can start local as well as virtual and get money from both sides of the coin, because the strategy for virtual is going to allow you to reach people in different states throughout the U.S. And your local strategy is designed strictly to do what it says, locally hit people that's where you live at, who you can have a chance of making them clients. And so when it comes to that, what we help you do is we help you first learn how to prepare individual income taxes. And since there's so much information to learn, number one, I can never teach it to you all. Number two, you'll never learn it all. And number three, you'll never use it all. That's how deep this 1040 individual tax preparation course is. It holds that much information into it that we'll never use it all again. We'll never learn it all, and we'll never uh, take it all in to the point where we'll learn everything, because it's just too much. And so, what you'll do is learn the basics. You'll learn what's going to come through your door uh, that lives where you live. So, middle class, low income families with children, single parents, the whole gamut that fall into 1040 individual tax return is what you're going to learn about. That's what you're going to be doing uh, as clients. And as time go on, you'll learn about other avenues to reach different types of clientele that's going to allow you to make more money. And so based on your age, your agenda, your uh, goals and dreams for your business, uh, will let me know how fast or how slow you want to go when it comes to growing your business and taking it to a whole nother level really fast, which will be based on you being able to go out and make that happen for yourself each and every day through my guidance, through my leadership, through my training, through my information, through my tools and resources that I've made available to you, that I leverage for the 21 years I've been in this industry, and all the things I've come across that the average person doesn't have no clue about, because they are in it like me. They don't have the desire, the passion, the zeal to learn it and to grow and to become something more than what they are when it comes to this career industry. A lot of them look at it as just being a job, and jobs don't get any respect as it is, let alone being in a career industry like this and you not seeing it in the way you need to see it. So, like I said, the special ends July 31st, and it's going to give you everything you need to do from A to Z. I offer a full service solution where I take away all the guesswork to getting started. Now, you can go out and do your research. You can go to YouTube, you can go to Google, you can go to both. You can type in different words and phrases: how to start my own tax preparation business, how to start my own tax firm, how to start my own accounting and tax firm, how to start my own successful accounting and tax firm. However you put it in there, it makes me no difference. The results that's going to come back, you have to go through those results. You have to check them out for yourself manually to see what information seems to make sense to you that you make and follow and implement on your own, if any. And so that's the key. Investing in coaching and mentorship style business models were designed to help you get a much quicker and faster result than you can ever do by yourself. That's the whole purpose of it. So my coaching program has helped you to fast track your success because you work with someone who has the knowledge, the skills, the training, the insight, who made all of the different mistakes by being in this industry already before you even got started. That's going to give you all those things that's going to help you avoid the minefields and pitfalls of running a business and being new by yourself. That's been all avoided by working with me. That's the value I bring to this coaching program. That's the full service solution I bring to taking away all the guesswork, is that you have someone that you can go to who's going to have an answer for you regardless of what it is. And if I don't have an answer for you right then and there on my top of my head, I will go out and get it and have the decency and the honesty and the integrity to tell you I don't know it right now, but let me go check that out. And that's what I'll do for you. I won't sit here and stunt in front and fake it till you make it like I know everything, because I don't. I'm not the jack of all trades and master of none. I don't pretend to be, and I never come off that way, because that ain't how I get down. That's not part of my brand. That's not a part of who I am as a person or a man or a father or a business entity. But I'm here to be of service to you, to help you fast track your success, to grow your business much faster and quicker than you can do by yourself. And I'm here to help you grow your business quicker and faster than someone else could who's working and doing it by themselves. Now, that's not always going to be the case, because somebody who's working by themselves might be better equipped already from different standpoints, that's going to allow them to go out and be successful much quicker and faster than you ever could if y'all both started by yourselves anyway. And so if you got someone who has a leg up on you in that way, even through coaching, you should be able to at least compete on a level where financially you're doing very okay. And like I say, your first season, if you can't make $10,000, and we talk about from January to October, not January to April, because we work year round. And so if you build your business with the year round concept, that you're going to do the things you need to do to build your clientele to the point where you have clients who fall into so many different niches and categories and industries that you got work going for you all year round to December 31st, then you're going to have a very, very six-figure, seven-figure profitable tax preparation business for yourself if you have the vision and the mission and the goal to build something of that magnitude. But only you can decide it for yourself. So in this coaching, we go through business entity structure. We go through making sure you got personal bank accounts, business accounts, payment processors, record keeping requirements. We go through uh, accounting and software and bookkeeping options? Are you going to in-house that? Are you going to outsource that? All those things are going to vary based on your experience, your budget, and your overall desire to do certain tasks inside your business, being new and being by yourself, making it happen. And so if you have someone in your team like me, I tell the people that I'm working with right now to leverage me. Because see, everybody knows you new. So don't front and stunt like you not by trying to come off like, you got it going on. But when everybody already know you just started this thing. So leverage the fact that you got your mentor and coach that's on your team and let them know, hey, I'm new to this. You know I'm new to this, but I had enough sense to reach out and invest in someone who has the skills, the knowledge, the insight, and the training that's going to help fast track my success through coaching. And so I'm not doing this on my own. So if you don't have someone you're going to on a permanent basis already, please consider me as a potential business to do business with for the upcoming tax season. Here's my business card. If you have any questions, concerns, reach out to me, and I'll do my best to answer those questions, concerns for you. And if I can't answer them on the spot, I'll definitely reach back out to you in a short amount of time with the solution or the answers to the questions you've asked me. And that's how I decide to do business being new in this industry. And so that's what you tell the people that you trying to do business with. You let the world know that, hey, I've started my own tax preparation service. I'm in training. I have someone on my team who has 21 years of experience, 15 as a business owner, who has everything I need to make me successful, who has everything I need to fast track my success. But the key to all that is going to be me taking action. The key to that's going to be me being consistent. The key to that's going to be me doing everything I need to do to implement the things that he is telling me I need to be doing and making it happen for myself. That's going to be the key to your overall success. I'm just a tour guide. I'm just a business coach. I'm just the person that's going to make sure you're going to not have to guess what to do, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. I'm going to take away all the guesswork. You just have to implement and make it happen for yourself and reach out to me for guidance and along the way if needed. And from there, you should be okay. So if you're interested in starting your own tax preparation service, you want to take advantage of this awesome deal because after July 31st, it goes back up to $2,249 for our premium coaching program. And I don't know if I'm going to put another special promotion on at this point because I'm about to get busy in September with some other things I got going on. And so a chance of another special promotion before the year over will be hard for me to phantom with the other things I have going on inside my business. And so reach out to me. You can talk, we can chat, we can email, you can text me. I give you permission to reach out so I can answer any questions you can or concerns you may have about what it's going to take for you to start your own tax preparation business. And the call to action is I'm giving you a 30-minute free one-on-one telephone call. Then we double back with a Zoom call so we can meet face to face. And the Zoom call only happens if you're ready to take action, if you're ready to invest in yourself by spending the money you need to spend or investing the money you need to invest to take action and make it happen so we can have these certain things set up. Because there's certain things you need to already have in place right away that I asked you about in order for me to even work with you to help you make this happen. Because I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this long enough to get you the results quick and fast and easy that you don't know nothing about. If I told you right now to go to irs.gov and get to the e-file provider's application, one, could you do that? And two, could you successfully create an online account that's going to allow you to get to the EFIN application? The EFIN application stands for Electronic Filing Identification Number, which is the 6-digit number we use to purchase professional software and register with third-party banks who collect our tax preparation fees on our behalf. So this coaching program covers everything you need to have from A to Z, from the front end to the back end. And if you want to learn more, take advantage of the opportunity to talk with me on a free 30-minute coaching call. And from there, if you're ready to take action, if you're ready to invest financially, then we follow back up with a Zoom call to solidify that. And from there, we get busy and we get on the road to success. We help fast track your success because now you have someone on your team who has everything you need to help you get there And all you have to do is be able to take action, and take action. And I'll definitely see you in my next video.